details for a client. So we're supposed to be only tracking the ones that we are using, which are these three. You can feel free to export these since we've used them before, but I don't think there's a need to export the ones that we haven't used in our outreach. So anyways, what you do is you simply select, well, first of all, this date format is wrong. Okay, this is better. So this is what you do. You can keep these unnecessary cells hidden, like the ranking attractiveness and the backlinks needed, or any backlinks needed. You can keep these hidden because they will confuse the client and he doesn't need to know about these. So you simply select the details that you need and then you click on File, Download, PDF document. And then here, instead of current sheet, you select selected cells. And this is what you will get. So this is the data that is going to be exported along with the comment here. Export. And then here I have it in my downloads folder. So this is what it looks like. Here you go. There you have it. And since the numbers are very good here, so you can see improvements since we started the project in almost all of his keywords. So this was 5, now it's 4, this was 3, okay, this is stagnating. But the rest has improved, so it's a good idea to send this to the client. Thank you for watching.